Guys, look at the people in Nesmo Partner. It is so, see, it was running. See, I don't know what's going on. See, very hurry up. Yeah, look at that. See, one by one. Today finish up this job because now it's around 6:25 evening time here in Sharm Camp. So look at the people. There's to log out. Use the time sheet. See, they are following line every time. So, nandito na tayo sa resto ng masjid. Ayan, ayan na po. Tahimik dito. Tahimik na dito sa masjid. Maya-maya pa darating ang mga tao dito sa masjid para magsala. So, rounding muna tayo. Dahil medyo namimiss na natin yung pwesto rito. Yan. At least makita nyo po muna uli. So it's been a long time na hindi tayo naka-round here. So now you have time. So for a little bit to take your time here. Yeah. See, look at that place. Yeah. Actually, this one the place there are. This is a seaside. Yeah, there are seaside. So I zoom it. At least you see. Kita nyo po yon yung para siyang kulay blue. Yan, dagat na po yan. Yeah, so very near here. Mga maximum distance is 5 to 10 minutes walking from here the camp. So kaso nga lang wala tayong kasama kaya hindi tayo makapag rounding there. Tsaka medyo malalim po dyan, and more in having restricted area. Binabawalan po nilang maligo dyan dahil malalim nga po. Ayan. So little bit more. See? Ayan. Ayan po, lapit ng dagat dito, no? Okay po guys, salamat sa panonood. Sana po magustuhan niyo ang aking video. So thank you guys sa lahat ng nag-subscribe. And I'm very happy po na naging subscriber ko po kayo. Maraming po salamat po ulit. Magandang araw. Bye bye.